Alright. Hey guys, so this is part two, and oh yeah, we have a lightning show, and it's really flashing on every second. Oh yep, I see a cat. That was nice how it turns on when someone is walking right past here. I don't know how far it is, but yeah, and it's a very well. That lightning does flashes bright every second. A coin of lightning strikes can happen, but it's not really touching the ground. Though. It's just a whole lot, and it's after 5 a.m. So because with all that heat and the humidity, yesterday actually the sunrise is gonna be coming up in about an hour or so. So yeah, and yeah, it's gonna keep it going over and over again. So it's nice severe thunderstorm warning at the moment. It just expired around 5, so it's just playing a. It's just excuse me. Um, it's just a thunderstorm and a lightning show. This is like a good show to watch. Like if you're having fun watching the fireworks show shooting at the sky, then you'll watch this. That's crazy. And yeah, it really kind of blinds on my eyes a bit, but I cannot stop staring at it. See what's going on. Now it's going into the south of Sioux Falls now, so I had to put that thing right here now. There we go. It's just crazy. And it's 76. Oh my goodness gracious, dude. There. That would be good, so you will probably see. My gosh, dude. But the storms are not done yet. There is more for. Actually, it's more for this evening through the overnight. So, because we are under a heat advisory again, starting today at 1 and it ends until 8. So that's why there's going to be some strong storms are going to hit in Sioux Falls again tonight. Oh, that was a good shot. I think I did got that one too. My goodness. That was crazy. Never seen like a while. Well, actually, it's been there for a long time, and it did kind of felt a lot different too. Like something. Yeah, it still ain't done. Yeah, there was a bunch of lightning and some couple sh- of strikes. Actually, there were a few, and a lot of lightning, like hundreds. Ugh. Excuse me. I don't know why I was burping for. Probably because I've been drinking the water, I guess. Oh yeah, because we are under a slight risk for severe weather for this evening through the overnight. Well, this evening through tonight. So, but whether it's hot, like into 90s, and when the heat index are in the triple digits, like into the hundreds, that would get some strong storms for us. But we don't really know yet. But I'm gonna watch Cal News this morning and see what they say. I don't know. I think it's gonna be like Megan Chetta, well, Megan Chetta, or whichever her last name is. So, well, she's been a meteorologist for about. I think she started in 2023. Yeah, or wait. Yeah, that's probably in 2023. And Anna Rudd started in March of 2020, probably before since COVID hit. But people don't talk about COVID-19 anymore. Or if you have COVID, which, oh, that is a lightning strike because I just saw that of my eyes. At least I yelled it out loud because I don't want to do that. Yeah, it's going to if we're close into that thing, man, that will not be pretty. Well, just a little bit. You know, I just brought that flag inside to be safe because the winds were uh howling. So, but the flag is fine. I can't be. It's not really raining, which the rain was not even hitting. So, yep, that was crazy. Crazy. Well, yeah, sometimes it was Megan Chetta or Anna Rudd, so, well, it kind of all depends. you know, oops, you know, I just don't care which one because I like KLM because it has a KLM uh weather now, so which that was my favorite ones, and that's the only one that I can check what the radar is. Yeah, that's a good one there. So, like, you would check the radar, temperature, um, the heat index, what it feels like. It couldn't. I know heat index don't start. It's not until like spring through fall, but even that the wind chill starts like in the late fall through the late winter or or like or like something. Yep. I'll go closer now. There we go. I should go a little bit closer. So even it could show winds, the dew points. Well, the dew point, um, like something like, yeah, I'm trying to think of anything else, which I knew there was, like severe outlooks that it's only like spring through fall. Including the icy ones, so even shows the feature cast of the white ones, but I'm not gonna be saying that one. But that's the only severe outlook that it shows only spring through a fall. So it can show the hail outlook, the wind uh, outlook, including the tornado outlook too, which it really helps in case if you're in that tornado risk or not. So, oh yeah, but well, all that I think that was about it, and it shows 7 day of feature cast too. Sioux Falls, Aberdeen Pier, and Rapid City. It even shows today, tonight, and tomorrow, like in South Dakotas and several different kind of places. Okay, I guess I am definitely gonna do this in part 3 as well. Alright, well, I guess I'll see you guys in part 3 of this. So, alright, part 3 is coming up next. Just stay.